Oh, oh, listen down. All right, guys, welcome back to another Fired Up Friday.
What's up?
So this is just two of about 20 or 30 that's coming here tonight. We are about to cook some baby back ribs, some bratwurst, some chicken wings, and even some hot dogs for the kiddos. First, we're gonna go ahead and get all the membranes off the ribs, go ahead and get them prepped, and start getting them on the smoker. Come on. My baby back, just gonna have juice everywhere.
Good thing about having an outdoor kitchen, right?
Yeah. All right. So, what I like to do is find the bone, kind of go up underneath it
With butter knife.
with a butter knife, and then kind of pick up as you go.
Yeah.
Some of them that's a little difficult.
It's easier when they're almost frozen, or easier when
Yeah,
they're...
almost frozen.
Yeah.
There you go. That's it.
That's sweet.
You handle that, and I'll get the grill going. Yeah. All right, I'll see y'all when y'all get up here.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah,
Super
makes it
easy.
so much
Yeah,
easier.
look at that.
You like that little trick, don't you?
Heck yeah. I'm definitely going to be hyping that up.
All right, guys, what we're going to use today is we're going to use some of that brown sugar with the Weber Web. We're going to put a little black pepper on that thing, come on, and we're going to go with the Sweet Preacher pork rub, fire and smoke. And a little garlic, just because, you know, Tim's a vampire, and I'm going to see if I can get him to disappear. Ah! All right, we're going to start with the bone side. Yes, I season my bones.
That one's upside down. There you go.
Oh, this one got a mud flap. Mud flap. I like playing with the mud flaps. Come on. All right, we're gonna go with that Sweet Preacher. Time for some of that brown sugar. That brown sugar. That garlic. That garlic, what's happening? Oh, that's a lot of garlic. That's a lot of garlic. We'll give that to Tim. Go on and throw a little bit of this Montreal steak seasoning on here too, even though it's pork. Let's get crazy with it, guys. Let's get crazy with it. Okay, now you got to rub it in. You got to rub it in. It's important to rub it in, guys. Then rub it in. All right, all right. Now we're gonna flip it over. Boom, 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 boom. All right, same thing. We'll put a little bit of garlic on there. Got to get the mud flap. And put the brown sugar on. Sugar, sugar! That Sweet Preacher. Y'all know I'm all about that preach. And you can't do no grilling without a little bit of that black pepper. A little more of that black pepper. Alright, now we're gonna rub it in. Rub it in. Rub it in. Alright guys, we got them wrapped up and sitting in the refrigerator. The grill is about where she needs to be. We're gonna let that sit there for a minute, and then we'll get them on there and get them start smoking. Come on. Alright guys, we're gonna be cooking a whole lot of groceries today. I just pulled the ribs out the refrigerator. We're at about 280 on the degrees, which is about where I wanted. About 250 would have been ideal for a minute, but this will make it do what it do. Let's open it up We're gonna have to add a little extra to fit everything. All right, guys. Gonna get this put on.
I remember you talking about the double stack rack.
Yeah, double stack rack.
Hmm.
Put these things on here. I'm gonna put the ribs on the bottom because they take the longest.
Look at them pretty things.
This one got a mud flap.
Got the wraparound.
If you don't tickle the mud flap, you ain't doing it right. Come on.
Look at that plate there, Gary. That's some new dishes.
All right, guys, we're sitting at about 280 still. The ribs are looking good. We're gonna put some chicken wings on here. All right, guys, we're gonna throw some chicken wings on. The flies are insane today. All right, we're using some seasoned pepper. We're gonna use some of this brown sugar rub. A little bit of garlic. Flip them over. And repeat. Ain't nothing to it but to do it. All right, let's get these on the grill.
Hashtag no work life.
No work life. What's going on, Tim?
Give life. Give life.
Hey, look at these ones.
President Zone's puppy face life.
What year? Yours? 98.
Okay, Marshall now.
And then my small supposedly they replaced the
Right there? Right there. Right there. Make sure to check him out. Make sure to hit the... I don't want to edit.
All right, guys, we got the sausages in there. We got the chicken on there. We got 4 slabs of baby back below. Let's close this thing up and let's get to cooking. All right, guys, let me give you a little bit of cuteness. Hey, 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 got Eclipse hanging out with us. Smelling all those good groceries. I'm gonna have to give you some of them rib bones. Some of them rib bones.
Oh, he's going to put me under pressure.
Come on! Oh! Oh! Listen down! Listen down! And y'all thought it was just Mike.
No, it's me too.
Hey, good job on the good shot, though. You're in trouble.
Pressure's on. She's at. It was a tie game. 13-13.
Okay, let's see what we got here. Choke. Lissa's on it. Oh. Oh. Consistency. I don't know what Mike was doing. Oh.
I'll take it.
3, 4, 5. That's 4 more points. Lissa's up 17-13. Now
Well,
she's made 5 ringers and still hasn't won the game yet. So that's saying I am actually being consistent, but that's twice now the camera's been on and I've buckled.
you choked. Kind of like the 49ers.
No, come on.
All right, let's check with Tim, see what he's thinking.
Cold beer. Oh,
Cold
wrong
beer.
channel. Wrong
Wrong
channel. What's up? Man, I can't wait for them fiddles. Ooh, them groceries are smelling good.
You having a good time?
I had a great time. Thanks for the invite, man.
No problem.
Love it.
Hey, I like your hair.
Thanks. I bought it myself.
What's going on, sister?
Not much. How's it going, brother?
Welcome to Fired Up Friday.
Hey, man, I love it. You got some good groceries up in here. It smells delicious.
It's gonna be amazing. Gonna be amazing. Gary, are you going to pee?
I am going to peace.
He's going to tinkle.
Uh-oh.
No peepee touch.
Say hey.
Hey. You gotta be like this.
Is it smelling good? She's staying right by the smoke where it can just filter all that good grocery smell over there. Look at this, guys.
That's why I'm sitting here.
Look, I will say,
All that good stuff.
I'm gonna say today's Fired Up Friday is going to be something different than y'all ever seen before. Not only has David got all of this good groceries up in here for the meat lovers, but he's hooking it up for me today. And so all of you vegans and vegetarian friends out there, you guys are gonna get a treat today too, because we got some tofurkey that we're gonna be grilling up. Tofurkey sausage, all right, Italian flavored. And I'll let you know how it is, because I've never had it before, but I guarantee you that once he puts it on this big green egg, he's gonna fire it up.
I can make a shoe taste good, come on.
Hey, bet, bet.
All right, guys, let's take a look at it.
And he came over and asked for work in when we got together. I fixed his name too.
Ooh, sookie, sookie.
Burnt and dry. The day before you took it out to the river and we went out, right? They didn't even make it halfway out. He pulled me to the sandbar. I think about here, the sandbar, and then came back. And then on the way back, it was just scary. I had a whole boy with me.
That's the name of the river, right?
With the coochie.
Go out there with a little cookie.
We way down yonder on the Chattahoochee.
It's like the Canada.
Never heard of such.
You say in the town of Casadega? Oh,
That's what's happening.
Oh, look at that. That smells very good.
Very good. All right, we're gonna do a little bit of rotating.
Can't wait to get it dark. You're gonna find out.
it's based on
Well, Audie was stick talker. He's one, only one with the stick talker. And he's a stick talker. So he'll be start talking all three. And you got Smokey, he thinks he's a pretty boy. That, you know, he's the dad's a bunch. So he's a pretty boy. I'm 50. You know, he's got the eyeliner and the whole 9 yards. And then Sadie, he's some wingy wing. And then Bandy is just a big love bug.
And some flying flies. It's getting to be that time, bro.
Oh yeah, it's already there.
Are they attacking your house?
I have never made it to everything. Yeah.
I got an arm for it too.
This was like,
In a jar of mayo, there were so many tomatoes on this. Oh, you should have carried them all the way around.
That's a dedicated professional right there. Look at that.
Wrapping it up like a baby. Stay warm, little one.
It's like my house. Hey, that shit was good. Something over the wedding though. That's like hey, that's.
Hey,
we love you, bud.
I was like, I ain't.
Thank you. Appreciate it. Amazing.
I was like, yeah, I got money in my wallet. And your baked beans like, well, there's no money in your wallet.
I was gonna put some of my venison in.
We're doing here, we're getting 80 anywhere. Yeah, but I'll be prepared for it, son.
Alright, we're gonna take these ribs out and go ahead and cut them.
With YouTube, it's always.
Look at all these juices.
But this one is after.
I turned somebody else's junk in.
Oh boy, slab.
Here too.
Hold on.
What is this? I'm
You're gonna get some of that too?
Come here, Jen.
What's my
We're straight from love,
I'll come back. Which one do you want? Right here.
Come on with the rib cutting, come on.
Come on.
There.
I'll get I'm gonna get one.
You look hungry, Lindsay.
It looks really, really good.
I told you.
Over there by Daddy.
Good news, David told me as long as there's something left when it was done, I could have some.
Oh my God, you're so lucky, bro.
You get a what?
Huh?
Hey,
I said,
hey, what do you got
David
over there?
said-
Let me see.
David said when everybody's done.
Is that what you're eating?
If there's any left over, I get to have some.
Are you gonna eat all of it?
Baby.
All right.
Man, hook me up. Dude, when we were teenagers, it was like, man, like,
Domino Eclipse.
everything.
Oh, spoiled ass babies.
Set. Good girl. Set. Up. 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 Nope. Up. Yeah, my animals are so mistreated.
I'll be minding my own.
What I gotta do to get a piece of rib?
Yes, ma'am.
Making.
If you eat on the floor and you clean up your mess.
Oh, I decided to make mayonnaise and.
No one else wanted to come ask you. They said Serenity.
Go.
Oh, Domino, you just won the lottery, buddy.
We've been waiting on that this whole time.
He's been dedicated.
Yeah, that's exactly what it is.
Here, at this point, we're committed.
Ooh.
Did you save any for Lindsay?
Hey, I'll bake. David, do you have
In the refrigerator.
What you got? What you got? Oh Lord.
And I gotta get some of these ribs. Yummy.
That already sounds good.
Poor Jeff.
Coming around there. Yeah, poor Jeff, bro. What was he thinking?
I told him, I said, you're missing out. Ribs is my thing. Ribs is my thing. Look at that.
Time to get it, Mary.
Because now I see it.
Kids are gone. It's time to fall in line.
Yeah. Well, Dad, people are picky.
No? Place where you go?
I'm moving in the cabin next door to y'all, man.
If we're ever having like a family dinner or something like that, and she's making it at her house. I always put in my special vegetables. And then even like things that are
Loaded potato.
Oh, that's one of my favorites. Y'all do this and that. But Roxanne, are these different please bring your rolls? Every damn
The
time.
really dark ones,
And the bread.
probably that's hers. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So either one of these. One's cheddar. And
Roxanne brought her bread, which is almost, actually, it's pretty much right in line with the rolls.
Alright, so I cut up 3 of them for right now. There is one more as a backup.
I'm coming.
We'll see if they go through them all.
I'm coming.
Let's eat.
We're gonna try our hardest, boy. I'll tell you what. Look at that.
I can take a little bit more of that mac and cheese, please.
I'm gonna tell him you told me to say I hate it.
Yeah, that's what
Just talk to the camera. I bombed on this chicken, and that chicken was super, super bomb. I got this rib.
There's paper towels right there.
Mmm. Mmm.
Just take them over by the table.
Mm-hmm. That's bomb too. Sweet, tangy, nice and smoky. I like it. Good job, man.
oh yeah, look at this. Good food. I'm hungry. It's about time.
Look at the clips like.
Great job.
It's been food. He's had 2 in there.
Really?
Delicious.
do you want? Ribs over here?
It's not real meat, but it ain't gross.
How is it?
I think
It's $20 if you say it's great. Oh yeah. I forgot about that.
Why didn't you have like chicken
I didn't have enough room for
another thing you can try with
All right, guys. I got
butterfly
chicken, baked beans, ribs, chicken wings, homemade bread,
I don't have enough room.
and shells and cheese. But I think the interesting thing is we're supposed to ask about the ribs, so let's find out. First bite, keep my hair out of it.
tomorrow, guys.
Oh, Lord.
She gonna vote for Biden. Not my president.
I'm gonna take all the hair.
It just come right off the bone. It just come right off the bone.
All right. So, just so y'all know,
Hey, this is my time to shine right here, bro.
Oh, I'm sorry. $10. I give you 10 and half of my 20 if you guys side with you.
David goes matter.
I ain't gonna leave nothing on that bone, I promise you.
Your food there, man. Look at that.
David said $20 if we give a good review.
Okay.
But then Drew said I can't see with sunshine over here, so I'm pretty mad about
Okay.
Okay.
And it's all chicken. It's all chicken from the U.S.
So the official review,
Add a little bit of.
here goes.
You go grab some like pork.
The official review,
pork fat.
not paid, just so you know.
Walmart. I've seen it in little jars. Just add that in there, just for a little bit more flavor.
Oh my God.
Or if you can't have the pork fat.
I'm giving him a $20 bag. This is good. This is really good.
Swear to God. Yeah, add like a Coke.
I was gonna take his $20, but I can't do it now.
Weird, I know. But I've researched all this shit.
Oh my God, that's good.
You don't have to explain. It's fine.
It's like KFC, finger licking good.
You got the queso and mozzarella and chicken sausages.
Y'all, that's what family's all about. Y'all just don't even know.
Tons of recipes.
How much you had to call
Yes, sir. Thanks too weird for you, buddy. You're welcome.
Ooh, look at this plate, guys. David with the come on, doing it just right. I think I'm coming next year.
Everybody's giving Uncle David all the credit for cooking all the groceries. I boiled noodles for Velveeta and I got it. Beans. Beans are good.
One's like, where that bullshit ass cargo ass.
Thank you for having me.
Whack ass.
That chicken fire.
You know what I'm saying, right? Go to Vegas and buy like 10 pairs of pants.
It's so nice too. Like inside all the way.
Oh.
So,
Oh man. Oh man.
Hey y'all, this is where it's at. I promise you. It's so good.
Durango, I think they're going out.
Damn, Eclipse, you got more food? Here, Donald. I'm giving you a whole rib. Up.
And that 40-foot stand, so that'd be 12 and 10. You have about 16 foot fish. Then put a green bin in the front, chicken, green bin in the front. So it's gonna basically be 40 by 40 square by 20.
All right, guys, that is a wrap. It turned out amazing. We still got some leftovers for lunch tomorrow. Did you enjoy it?
I mean, it was kind of burnt.
What, your bread?
It was kind of burnt.
Your burnt bread? I got it.
But I love them burnt ends, man. That's I mean, look, there ain't no meat on this bone. I'll tell you right now.
Wasn't nothing burnt in my plate. Ooh, tasty.
Man, Anthony's just mad because he only got $18 instead of the full 20.
He's also mad because he burned his bread. That's where he got the burnt from.
Hey, show them the bread. If it's so burnt, show them it. Does that look burnt to you guys? No.
Look at that.
No, he picked the one piece, the one end.
He did.
Hey, I'm gonna. You know what that bread reminds?
Does that look burnt?
You know what that reminds me of?
Does that look burnt?
My dad.
Does that look burnt?
My dad told me a story when I was a kid. My mama tried to make
Don't let him
homemade
fool you.
biscuits for the first time.
Don't let him fool you.
He said he threw them out in the back porch, and to this day they're still there as artifacts. That's how bad those biscuits was. That's kind of like Anthony's bread. Come on. How was it?
Oh, it was so good. So good. I cleaned my
Well,
plate.
I could tell that you liked it. You were wearing like most of it.
I'm wearing every last bit of food I
Hey,
eat.
that's the only way to eat ribs, buddy.
Exactly.
Only way to eat ribs.
High five on that one.
Lindsay, do you approve?
Good job, man.
All right.
So good.
Delicious, all of it. Yeah. Fired up.
I got a question for you. This is serious. You put all that hard work in making that homemade bread. What do you think about your husband burning it? I mean, come on.
I didn't think it was burnt.
It's like Dr. Phil right now.
This is the bread, not burnt.
I didn't think it was burnt. But, you know, maybe a couple pieces were the...
Maybe a couple. The truth is coming out slowly, guys. We need a lie detector.
Oh, and just so you know, David, we loved it, and thank you, brother.
Not a problem. Not a problem. All right, guys, I am tired. I think that I'm going to have maybe 2 or 3 adult beverages. I think I deserve it. I'm tired. I'm whooped. I don't know who's cleaning this beep up, but it ain't me. Come on. All right, Gary, what do you think about it?
You know, I have no meat in my hands. I got no plate. I ate it all good.
There you go.
It's all down. That was some smoky, tangy, great, greatness right there. I like it.
All right, guys, we're gonna go ahead and close this out like we do on Come On Mountain. We keep it fired up. Come on.